November, I bought XRP for $96,000. It went up to $450,000 or $500,000 in about a month. And since then, it's been a roller coaster, to say the least. The stress of being a trader, the stress of being an investor is, you cannot imagine. And when you start trading, when you start investing, you think that it's all good. It's Lamborghinis, it's $1 million houses. I didn't get this from trading, I got it from being an entrepreneur. And it's just so fucking annoying to see all these videos all around the internet explaining how you make millions and millions of trading, while most of them make millions of the YouTube channels or selling courses. And this is the truth, because 80% lose money, but online it looks like 99% wins money. How can it be? What's wrong with the picture? And the wrong with the picture is that on social media these days, everyone is trying to move themselves up in the chain, in the pyramid, in where the higher you get, the more money you make. And when you start down here as an employee, and you want to climb, and you see someone with 50,000 followers telling you how to make money online, how to make money on Instagram. And what's happening is that you trust this person because he has a lot of followers. Everyone want to be where everyone else is. Just look at two restaurants next to each other. One is full, one is empty. Which one do you want to go into? There must be something wrong with the empty one. So you go where everyone else is. That's what followers does. It tricks you into believing that this guy is legit and is the real deal. Or girl. And everyone is trying to make money from everyone. It's just so sad to see. So when I started my social media accounts, I had spent 1.5 years learning to trade by looking at YouTubers, where everyone was saying what everyone else was saying to sound smarter than they are. And this tricked me because I saw so many people talk about the same things, the same concepts. Smart money concept, ICT, which is the biggest scam in history, I think, when it comes to this. And I say that because I know that is true, because I've seen people expose him. I've seen people show that he uploaded fake print screens with profits. And one guy even recorded a message where ICT told him that I don't make money from trading. I make money from courses. And still people buy his courses. It's unbelievable. And that's why I started my social media channels. I spent 1.5 years listening to nonsense. I've become a millionaire by being an entrepreneur. Then I invest my capital, the excessive capital and the profits that I make, into the markets. And it's really, really hard, really, really tough. Your mind tricks you to do bad things. Your mind is not your best friend when it comes to trading, because our decisions is mostly based on fear. And when you're about to lose money, you feel fear. When an instrument goes in the direction that you expect it to go, but you're not in the trade, you feel FOMO, fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. So you jump on the wagon and boom, it goes down. It's always the same story. So learning to trade, for me, I realized that it's 85% psychology, or even more. At least when it comes to long-term trading. I spent 8 to 10 hours or more day trading. I made 1,000 to 5,000 per week on that, but I spent so much time. Then I built companies. I built TraderFunder, and I spend now, after 2 years of running it, I spend 1 hour per week, and it makes me 80,000 in revenue, 35% profit. No, 40% profit, sorry. 89 last month. And I mean, that's 35K in the pocket, or not in the pocket, but in the company for 1 hour per week. No trades can do that, or yeah, if you're lucky. Like my XRP trade went up from $96,000 to $450 or almost 500. Now it's down a little bit, but I'm still up 300K, which is amazing. But I took a lot of risk. I took almost 100K risk to get there, and I had a good timing. Everything was lining up, absolutely. All my knowledge from the 7 years of being a trader lined up. And of course, the more you practice, the more luck you have. That's how they say. So yeah, be careful. Don't listen to everyone. Don't get tricked into buying stupid courses. The best course, or the best way to become a business owner, to learn how to start a business, is to start a business. The best way to learn to trade is to actually start trading. Of course, you need knowledge, but you learn. You have only two decisions. Should the price go up, or should the price go down? It's not harder than that, but the hard part is your head. When you press buy for the price go up, what do you do when the price moves against you, or when the price moves in your favor? Do you close it too early? Do you move your stop loss when it goes against you because you're so certain it's gonna move up? And all of a sudden you have a bad risk to reward. You lose 5 and you gain a half every time. You need to have such a high win rate to make money from that. So be careful and walk the walk.